have any information that would shed any more light on that?
The only thing I could add to that is we still have the downrange Orion to look for additional data. And we're looking now to see when it will be observed, so we can look for that event.
Roger, I understand.
Dave, that's in about 8 minutes, we understand now.
About 8 minutes? Okay, thank you.
Just because we are not seeing the telemetry from TOS does not mean that the burn has not occurred. It means that either they have not been able to acquire it for some reason, or the transmitters are not sending that data from the TOS. However, we expect that when more Orions have an opportunity to acquire downrange, we might get some indication of the status of what TOS has done. The key, however, if we never do get any TOS telemetry, is when the Canberra tracking station acquires in Australia. It will then look for the Mars Observer spacecraft where it's supposed to come up over the horizon, and it will look to assess what data rate it is sending. If it is a nominal data rate, a high data rate, then the situation is acceptable and we have a good spacecraft. If it's in a low data rate, then it has safed itself for some reason. But at this point, we have no information to indicate that anything's wrong. We just don't have any information. And we'll be awaiting Skip Mackey and Central Telemetry to tell us if we should get any of the TOS data.
Systems DC.
Go TC.
Are you copying this on commentary?
Yes, we are. I don't know who this guy is.
Spacecraft team, all units, if you've got the commentary button on your listen panel, you can push that to listen to some of the status on the TOS transmitter problem.
So there is funny how that project got delayed. It's apparently a pretty good satellite. Especially NASA. Yes, we have
Systems is power.
Go ahead, Power.
Is there a battery TCE here on call? And if so, is that a power or a thermal call?
Okay, what are you in the launch support procedure, spacecraft team's procedure?
Yeah, it's our own power procedure, but yeah, it's S plus 38 minutes. Power lead, that's our call. Okay, roger that. Okay, systems, I'll be looking for it.
Okay, what was the call again?
Battery 1 and battery 2 TCE heater on. It's our primary heater relay. We'll go to the launch station. We'll launch the launch station.
Roger that.
What systems DC?
Go ahead.
I guess answer the more general question. The commands that affect the equipment, the boxes, are the responsibility of the owner of those boxes. Realize this is a questionable call since it's a heater and might be thermal, but the responsibility of the boxes are for each unit. Okay, power copies.
MO nav, Mars Ace, Mike on M.
Mark Marietta stock as the seconds go by.
This is MO nav, Mike on M.
Yeah, be advised that the TOS ignition was 2.5 seconds later than in the Case 1 timeline that we were faxed.
Roger.
Just have to try to have no feeling until we get some word, because all it means is there's no communication and we don't know what's been going on. In about another minute or so, we're going to replay the launch of the Titan III with Mars Observer, and we'll be awaiting coming in live with Skip Mackey's indication as to what the state of health is here as soon as we hear something. If we never do hear from the Arias on any TOS data, then Canberra would acquire in 49 minutes.
Mission Manager on MOTC.
Mission Manager, go ahead.
Dave, I wanted to give you a heads up. The first indication that we got a good TOS burn will be at about launch plus 51 minutes and 31 seconds, which would be the acquisition of S-band from the TOS at our 26-meter station at Canberra.
Roger, I understand at 51:31 we would have S-band acquisition at Canberra up top. That would be our first opportunity with Deep Space Net to acquire a TOS signal.
That's correct.
Raya should be acquiring that signal if it's working very shortly, shouldn't they?
That's also correct.
We are slightly past the time of nominal Raya AOS, and we still have not seen a signal.
Three Arias.
Had an adjustment from the Canberra tracking station. Deep Space Network reports that their acquisition, should the spacecraft be on course and on target, we would be acquiring in 51 minutes, 30 seconds. Another 15 minutes from now or so.
This data will be after the spacecraft turns on, and that data is from Canberra. It is quite some time away.
When Canberra acquires, the spacecraft should be
Project 2, Project
in a 100-mile by 335.
It's another 40 minutes, approximately 40 minutes, before the Mars observer is scheduled to turn itself on.
Roger. Voice check 71.
100 by 335 statute mile
Yeah, I need to run a quick check. One of them find out, is the circuit up and into us at all times? In other words, are we going to be getting TOS packets on this network too?
Point Mackey is
Yes, I can tell you if you want.
If you don't mind, I'll try to get my test set locked up on it. That's the first indication that we have continuity.
Mark.
Okay, we've already done it already with Canberra.
Turn itself on.
You're already data flowing from Canberra?
I see we have run one
all of the
just before launch.
boom and antenna deployment.
Roger that.
Right now we're standing by for Canberra's acquisition.
Right. Our folks, I'm not sure if they passed it on to you, but they
Watching very
they
carefully
locked up what frame
data
sync,
rate spacecraft
bit sync.
sending
The frame sync would not
information out.
indicate processing through the computer because
nominal
of the
data
CRC checks. And what we want to do is
spacecraft
set picked up so at least we can capture data back.
A good sequence of events. If it's in the low data rate,
Mission Manager Mars
it
Ace,
doesn't
my time.
saved itself for some reason.
Okay, but you're gonna wait for the Canberra data,
Mars
right?
Ace, Mission Manager on my time. Go ahead.
DSN.
We don't have any data to put on there.
It's ready for acquisition.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, that's
And,
good news. It looks
we're
like
in a
it may
passive mode,
be
and I just
our
want to
first
know
opportunity
as soon
to
as
see
you
how well we
give
did
us
with
a
the
holler.
toss.
Roger, will do.
Picks up
Thank you, sir.
S-band.
Copy that. We're preparing to reset the M4 clock test field to count down to TOS S-band acquisition at 46.
Excellent. I think that's a good idea.
Copy.
You can reset the test clock to Canberra acquisition.
Mars A systems.
System phase.
When you get a reference time for resetting the test clock, could you read that reference time to us, please?
Have it right here. The expected TOS AOS at station 46 is 17:56:31.
17:56:31. Thank you.
Hey, Maureen, where is John Williams?
GDS systems. GDS systems.
Yeah, except that's time for TOS acquisition.
Systems. TC. Go ahead, TC.
Do you know whether the any of the L plus relative times for the spacecraft activities change because of the late launch time and different launch relative toss burn time?
No, my understanding is that the only variation is in the order of seconds.
Okay.
I will have to confirm that, though.
Okay. Copy.
Mars A systems.
Systems 8.
Yes, sir. That reference time you gave us was for TOS acquisition at Canberra, or where?
At Canberra.
Roger that. And will there be a reference time available for expected X-band acquisition?
Stand by and I'll get it for you. Systems 8.
Go ahead.
Expected X-ray band acquisition at Canberra is 182956.
182956.
That's affirmative.
And S-band Sierra band acquisition at 175631.
That's affirmative.
Got it.
And please note your M4 clock in the test field is off at the moment. We're in the process of resetting.
Roger that.
Okay, so you have a clock which is SC AOS, spacecraft AOS. If you have time, in addition, TOS AOS. You mean, yeah, and then MO AOS. This will be TOS AOS reference time. This will be MO AOS reference time. Got it? Now, what's the status of repo on the new version? Are you guys going to distribute it? You guys are going to distribute them?
The general area of the spacecraft, how we're tracking down into that.
Copy that.
Systems, Power.
Go ahead, Power.
Are you going to give us an updated clock with predicted step time, or are you going to wait until we get a step indication?
The separation time was updated on the last update, which was, 20, 25 minutes ago or so. Currently, we're revising the clock to give you countdown to TOS acquisition and MO spacecraft acquisition.
Copy.
If you can read me the reference time that you currently have for separation, I can tell you if it's correct. Click on your SEP clock and tell me what Zulu time you have there.
Roger, I've got 17:58:31.
Mission Director Center simply
Copy.
awaiting, along with the rest of the world, some confirmation that Mars Observer is in the right orbit and that it's healthy. And we have no reason to expect that it's not. We simply have no data. And in the Mission Director's Center, the Central Telemetry Facility, there is no data coming in. The tracking station at Dakar and one or two others that were up on standby basis also confirmed what the Orion were seeing, and that was no data. So there is the possibility there simply was no data coming from TOS to relay the state of health, which does not necessarily mean that we did not have the TOS perform as it was supposed to. Now 45 minutes, 45 seconds into the flight.
You can move it up. You can. Is it on? You grab that box.
How easy is it for me to move these two up in that box?
It's easy. You just grab the box with the person, right? And then stretch it down. So it's zoom over it. Left button. Left button on the back there.
data. Go ahead, Milo. Yes, sir. We just reconfigured over here to receive the 2 kilobit data.
MO Project Manager, this is Mission Manager on MOTC.
Had me too excited.
Mission Manager,
All right, Sam, the other thing that will, of course, be of interest to all of us is the earliest possible indication. Roger, I understand that we acquire at 1829. That'll be a good indication.
Mars Ace, MO data.
And it'll take about 2 hours to get a better
The
solution.
ace
Is that correct?
doesn't lie.
That's correct.
MO data.
MO data.
Right now.
Mars Ace, be advised, I'm getting something that looks like good frames coming in on this link from Milacom that represents input from Canberra.
That's negative. All 3 Canberra stations are looking for X-ray band, and none of them have locked up.
I don't know where the data is coming from then.
You're getting it at your DMD workstations?
No, I'm getting it at the analyzer.
They've got data coming in, they don't want it. That's right. No, we won't listen.
It's just confusing.
Milacom, MO data. Milo? What kind of data are you feeding? There's probably no data there at all yet.
Mission Manager,
You're probably looking at a clock. I'm getting a good sync word on it.
MO Project Manager, this is Mission Manager. Go ahead.
Well, stand by. Let me see if I can find out what Canberra's
Sam,
sending.
we have not been piped out over NASA Select yet. They're proposing to do that at 24 past the hour. And I concurred that was all right, but I wanted you to know that we would be live then.
Okay, I copy that. Thank you.
MO data, Mars Ace.
Go, Mars Ace.
Yeah, the DSN has shut off the port at station 46. See if your data has stopped. It should take a minute or so.
Wait, it just said finish. Oh.
And spacecraft team, TRS pyrofiring should be complete at this time.
MO data, Ace.
Go, Ace.
Yeah, Jim, is that data coming in with proper frame length or anything?
And mag pyrofiring.
According to the stat display, it is. So far at this point, I've picked up 149 frames, 150 frames proper length.
We're kind of clueless about where that's coming from. Data Control's not sending you anything, and all 3 stations are still out of lock.
Well, somebody's got me looped on something then, so stand by.
Without cost information. Well, we'll know if we were still on task by signal yes. But you don't, I don't think you want to do this.
Mars Observer Mission Director Center, now 80
Unless you're on task. If you go to signal rather, you can't do all that other fun stuff too. Why did I circle that?
Another 4 minutes or so. We will.
If there's anybody else on this loop still, the Titan dam burn is underway and looks normal.
That's confirmation. Let's get back into the stage.
Oh, that damn burn.
Second stage. Retrofired to
Well, OSC.
Not quite yet.
out of
They also
harm's way.
you have to work in
They, that's right. They make both sides of the house.
That's right.
Listening to Dave Evans from Mars Observer, project manager.
Then it'll go down.
Talking to Sam Talon.
He's insider trading.
What data we see from Canberra.
Okay.
And the latest calculations that we have show that at about an hour 29 into the flight,
Low data, Milo.
ship's fire had a nominal burn of the toss. We have data from the Hawaii tracking station that's just been reported by the toss test conductor that the separation
haven't tracked these transmissions, be advised that if we pick up the signal from the spacecraft in Canberra at 18:29 past the hour, or very thereafter, within a minute thereafter, that will be an indication the spacecraft is on a nominal trajectory to Mars. If we will also have a chance for a default trajectory if that's not the correct one. Monitor this channel and you'll hear the mission manager report those facts.
Spacecraft team, stand by for acquisition. Estimate 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
What you gotta do now?
Not a minute away now, but when we hope some kind of data will begin coming into the Canberra station.
You don't feel any tension. You know, I think I forgot to update 71 over 6. How much longer than questions?
60 seconds.
I can hear that DTE.
Standing by now, hoping to hear something from the Space Network. We're now watching the Mission Operations Center here at Hangar 8O. They should be receiving that information.
Well, you know what should do something. Press this right button to start. So you all get data.
Observer Project Manager Dave Evans.
Ten. I mean, 25, right? Okay. 10 seconds. It's the white button. Hello. Talk to me, Goose. Shit. What is that?
Might have comment on data. Milacom, memo data. Is there a possibility of sending the same data stream over to Mill 71 and see if they can lock on it, or can you lock on it? Do you have an FSS?
Mission Manager, Mars.
We're not able to watch this data.
Systems Telecom?
Data
Mars
flash.
Ace, Mission Manager, go
We're
ahead.
getting down
We
to
have
the
X-ray band block at station 45.
Roger that.
According to my
MO
analyzer,
Project
I've
Manager,
been getting
Mission
frames
Manager
for
on
some time.
MOTC.
I think you're just looking at the
X-band lock.
MO data, Mars Ace.
Canberra.
Yeah, all right.
Mars
Okay, spacecraft team, stand by for your
MO data, Mars Ace.
1 minute checklist.
Roger, I have that
Did you get
report.
word?
We have a bunch of very, very happy people here in the MDC.
No, I didn't, but
We have a very
I've been seeing data for
large
some
group of
time.
happy people.
But we've
Very
got
well.
positive lock on the
We'll fill you in
spacecraft.
on more
Station
details on the
45.
Spacecraft team controllers, all
Roger, we'll
spacecraft
stand
team
by for
controllers
more
stand by.
details. Thank you.
The AOS plus 1 minute checklist will be 1 minute after we have telemetry flow into your workstation.
Mars Ace is Mission Manager.
Okay, roger that.
Mars Ace, MO data.
Stand by, MO data.
MO data, Mara.
Mission Manager, Mars Ace.
Was that 45 or 46?
That was
MO data, Mara.
We've got lock on 2K data.
And 2K data is coming in.
That's affirmative.
Thank you very much.
2K downlink.
Okay, we see the 2 kilobit data now. You should be seeing it.
MO Project Manager, this is Mission Manager on MOTC.
Roger, go ahead.
We've got 2K data coming in, and it all looks good.
2K data coming in from spacecraft,
GDS
and all looks good.
That's correct.
Mars Ace, Mike on M.
Hey, come on, guys, hold it down, please.
GDS systems. GDS systems, MO ops. GDS systems, MO ops.
Manager, confirm deployment systems
GDS.
can, please.
Systems GDS.
John, do you know what the delay is?
MO project manager,
again?
mission
You know what the
manager,
delay is?
we'll do that.
Data flowing through it.
No, I don't. I was all waiting there with the PDB query ready to go, and I fired it up several times, and it wouldn't take, so I'm going to MO view right now.
Roger that.
Break.
Go ahead.
Systems, this is mission manager. Are you getting any telemetry data?
Negative. We are not seeing telemetry flowing at this time, and I'm going to contact ACE now. Mars Ace
Okay,
systems.
I understand the 2K
Yes,
data is
as you know,
Stand by one.
give me a call out on deployments.
Spacecraft manager,
Say again, Ace.
project manager on MOTC.
When you're able to determine it,
Roger,
I'd like
do
to
you
call
have
out
any
of spacecraft
indication
health
of
deployments.
Okay, Mars Ace, we're waiting to see
checkout
data
station
on
down
flowing to our workstations. We have seen no data yet.
Cape systems, have you copy?
Yeah, we don't have no telemetry here on the spacecraft team.
Stand by.
Roger, I copy, thank you.
Systems TC.
Go TC.
Yeah, it's probably obvious, but delay the roll call for AOS +1 telemetry
It's in work.
verification.
It's been done.
We got verification of all the AOS +1 points?
We are delaying the checklist until 1 minute after we see data flowing through our workstations.
Copy that.
PSTAs.
Mission manager
yes,
systems.
for just a few minutes. Copy.
Mars Ace, mission manager on Mike on M.
Mission manager, Mars Ace.
Yeah, Mike, are you seeing any data flowing?
Negative, we're checking on it. We're showing the station is locked up on their frame synchronizers out.
Okay, copy that.
MOLC,
Mission manager systems.
LC. Flight controller, go ahead.
What's the display in there?
You feel like you've got a valid main beam auto crash on the X-band?
It comes clean it.
Okay, since you're auto tracking, can you just do a vector?
Mission manager systems on MO ops.
Systems, mission manager on MO Ops.
Yes, sir. You had called me a few minutes ago, and we're continuing to talk, and I was on another loop, so I didn't copy what you said.
I'd like to know as soon as you start seeing telemetry data.
Roger that. Somebody on MO ops has a hot mic. GDS systems.
Mars Ace, MO data.
Can you make a real-time call when you see telemetry flowing?
Yes, all I'm seeing right now is monitor blocks.
Roger that. Call it out when you see it.
Okay, roger.
Yeah, just saw something.
Spacecraft on target, on its way to Mars. Post-launch, this conference is now scheduled for
In-house.
In-house meeting.
What?
Is
MO data, Mars Ace.
Mike, do you know if this is coming as 2K encoded?
It's coming at 2K, although data control is getting about 1 out of every 3 frames is getting a valid sync where they're still working on it.
Is that? How does
Alan,
that
did
mean?
you hear that?
Yeah. But I don't know if that's here or at the DSS.
No, data control is
frame sync signal is strong.
It's his process. I'm ready to go to lunch. It's 11:35.
MO data. Lala? This is MO data, go ahead.
Are you receiving good data from us on MOTC?
I'm getting an indication of data coming in, but I can't tell whether it's good. Copy.
Roger, can you give me an estimate, Sam, of how long it's going to take to cycle through telemetry so I can learn about deployments and that kind of thing, help with spacecraft?
Okay, well, the telemetry still isn't flowing to our workstations. The only thing we know is that the tracking station is getting the 2K data. And as soon as we get it flowing here, then we're going to take a poll of the subsystems and we'll get right back to you.
Roger, understand no telemetry flow yet to the workstations. The tracking station has the data, however. Thank you.
Mission Manager Systems, ONM Ops.
Project Manager, Project 2.
Project 2, go ahead.
You might think about having the backup X-band station.
We've got data flowing, looks like.
Systems Mission Manager?
Yes, sir. It looks like we've got data flowing, and it will be 20 minutes from this time.
Roger, stand by.
We'll give you a detailed report. We will give you a summary report.
Okay, good news. Thank you.
Okay, Systems, this is Power. We have forward current flowing.
Roger, stand by, and we'll go through the checklist.
Mike on M.
Project Manager, this is Mission Manager on MOTC.
Mission Manager, go ahead.
We've got telemetry flowing to the spacecraft team workstations. It'll be approximately 20 minutes until we get all the subsystems to look at it and figure out how nominal we are.
Stowed on the...
Roger, I'd like to know as soon as you have it, the deployments, solar reposition, that kind of thing, even before you have a full scan through, Sam.
Okay, copy that.
Okay, all spacecraft team controllers, stand by to begin the AOS plus 1 minute checklist in 15 seconds.
Go, Marzation.
We're unlocking the data on our DMDs.
Call. Go ahead.
You should be receiving.
Yeah, we received telemetry. It appears that we have solar array deployment and 32 amps on the solar array.
Systems,
Okay.
Mars Mike on
Okay, spacecraft team, we're beginning the checklist. Power.
Power, solar current is present.
Systems,
Batteries
report on solar array.
charging.
Yeah, we've
Shut
got
dissipation
all
power
deployed
is
to
okay, slightly low, but
180
okay.
and we've got 32 amps
Shut
on the
current.
solar array output.
32 amps.
Roger that. Mechanical.
Mechanical, toss separation is confirmed. Hinge 1 is at 180, hinge 3 is at 180, hinge 4 is at 180.1, hinge 5 is at 180.0. The outboard hinge on the high gain antenna still shows stowed.
Roger that. Info.
Info reports all telemetry tables are as expected. Control skip number 1 is selected as expected. No devices are switched. There have been no indications of rejected commands, and there have been no indications of auto queue messages since launch. All conditions are green.
Roger that. Telecom.
Telecom has 2K, twink off, and range mod on.
Roger that. AACS.
AACS, we indicate that we're in DSN-ish. The sun monitor threshold is within limits.
Mike on M.
The attitude is near the expected quaternion. The attitude rates are near zero, and the momentum is below the unloading threshold, but there is indication that we had a momentum unloading event. Emergency momentum unloading event.
Roger that. Propulsion. Propulsion systems.
30 seconds, please.
Roger that. GDS.
GDS, everything looks good in the header data.
Roger that. Ken, propulsion, don't work the HDA item at this time. Just give me a propulsion report. Is that okay?
Propulsion systems propulsion. Propulsion looks good. I show 9 seconds of burn time on engine 18.
Corresponding to an unload?
Corresponding to some sort of firing, I assume it has to do with the unload.
Roger that. Tank pressures?
Tank pressures are all, okay, here they come. Tank pressures are nominal. Latch valves 9 and 10 are open. Latch valves 11, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all closed. The tank pressures are all okay to repeat.
Roger that.
18 is a monoprop that would correspond to an unload?
One further piece of information, the engine 19 fired as well, 9 seconds.
Roger that, and that's a monoprop?
That is the monoprop .2 pounders.
Roger that. Mars A Systems?
Systems Ace.
We have a preliminary spacecraft status report. Are you ready to copy?
Go ahead.
All spacecraft subsystems look go with the following exceptions. We have indications that an emergency momentum unloading possibly occurred, and we cannot confirm HDA deployment at this time.
Copy that.
Thermal systems.
Mission Manager Mars Ace, Mike on M.
Thermal, everything looks
Thermal systems, stop your speaking. Mark your temperatures at this time.
Jade, a report from the
Take
spacecraft
a screen
team,
snapshot if you
all
have
systems
to.
Look good.
Watch the temperatures very
What
closely.
appears to be an emergency momentum.
Go to the HDA failed deployment procedure and watch the temperatures that are on that table. Do you understand?
Roger.
Stand by.
Just talk to the info guys, Peter and Lauren. Guys, think the monitors specifically.
Mars Ace, does that mean we've had toss separation?
Can't tell yet. Stand by.
Spacecraft team confirms. We can confirm toss separation.
Okay, copy that. Thank you. MO Project Manager, this is Mission Manager on MOTC.
Mission Manager, go ahead.
We just had a quick look at the data. All systems look good. The only two problem areas are that it looks like we had an emergency momentum unloading, and we cannot confirm high gain antenna deployment as yet.
Systems info.
Info system.
There's a report from flight software.
The momentum unloading was an emergency, what you called it.
Yeah, there's one particular error type that keeps increasing. It's when the sun sensor sees no data, it keeps increasing. In another 40 minutes, if we still don't see the sun, we'll switch to sun sensor. And another hour after that, it'll switch to bus.
Systems Mission Manager on MOOps.
Go ahead, Mission Manager.
Can you tell me when we'll know whether the high gain antenna is
sending over here on this circuit?
Our telemetry indications at this time indicate that it is not in the fully deployed latch position. It will be some time before we can confirm that.
Well, this frame of Goddard is locked on it. We don't have
the only other telemetry we have will be rising temperatures, and that will occur over the next 2 hours. But the mechanical indication of full deployment indicates that we do not have full deployment.
Yeah,
the
no indication of any you that you're receiving the.
We only have a binary indication.
Okay, I copy that.
PDF data coming from Station 46 in the hangar AO.
Our telemetry does not indicate the latch position, and the only way we'll be able to assess whether deployed or not is by looking at temperatures.
That's correct.
And it'll take about 2 hours. Is that correct?
That is correct. We hope to have some indication before then, though.
Okay, I copy that. Thank you.
Hey, Info Systems.
Go ahead, Systems.
Okay, the report I got from you indicated that you're getting red man messages on the sun sensor, or that the sun sensor is not seeing the sun.
Go ahead.
Dave, our telemetry indicates that the high
red man
gain
messages on it at all?
is not in the latched position. There's
in other words, there are no
data
indications of a failed sun sensor.
To confirm or not confirm that.
The other indication we get is the flight software error counters in Redman. Those are increasing now.
Temperature data to see if we do have a problem with
MO data, Mars.
Do you have any way of distinguishing whether the problem is a problem in the sun sensor, or whether indeed the sun sensor is not seeing the sun?
Negative.
ACS,
stand by and I'll
report on this.
Go ahead. We're looking at it.
Roger that. And Info Systems.
Break. Systems Mission Manager on MOOps.
Go ahead.
Did we have an indication that it deployed? Do we have any kind of indication?
Negative.
No. So the only thing we have is when it's latched.
That is correct.
Okay. Copy that.
Understand. Thank you, Tom.
ACS, go ahead.
We're still looking at the data here.
Roger that. Info Systems.
Go ahead.
According to systems, we do not have any indication on deployment, only when it's in the latched position.
Info Systems on MOOps.
Thank you, Sam.
Go ahead, Systems.
Okay, Carl, I want to understand exactly what you're saying. The red man counters are increasing on the SSA. When they reach a certain point, you are going to, the red man will switch SSAs?
Yes.
And then if the same problem occurs, we will switch buses?
Affirmative.
Systems Mission Manager on MOOps.
Go ahead, Mission Manager.
Mars Ace, MO data.
Yeah, is there any indication from the pyro firings that we had the
Mike, does anybody know yet where the information
we
is coming from that I was
cannot
getting on
get
my machine?
confirmation that pyro is fired.
Nobody has any idea.
Have at any given time pyro buses enabled or disabled.
Are you getting proper telemetry now at the
I have
DMDs?
not specifically confirmed those points, but they should be
Dialing the
disabled by
DMDs
flight
or the
software.
checkout station.
Okay,
Great.
copy that. Thank you.
Mechanical Systems.
Mechanical.
You concur with what I just said?
Could we get a confirmation from
pyro buses are all disabled
at they first
at this time and disarmed at this time.
Roger that.
Is there any way to do that?
Info Systems.
We had good data processing here at 1836.52, and they took that data and immediately turned it around to you.
Assuming that it's constant, can you give me...
No, I meant what time did they actually put it out on the DSN so that Goddard could pick it up?
If it does it again.
Stand by.
pinch, because it's more than like 2 degrees off. I wouldn't worry about it. What happened to this?
Oh, did it stop?
Systems ACS.
Go ahead, ACS.
We're showing an indication that x-axis is gaining system momentum faster than we would probably expect.
Roger that. Okay, all spacecraft team units would like to begin the AOS plus 10-minute status report. Page 22, Appendix 2 of the spacecraft team launch support procedure. Begin with power.
Power, stated charge on battery 1 is approximately 87%, and on battery 2 is 90%, and they should be increasing.
You say they are or should be increasing?
Well, they are.
Roger.
The battery temperatures...
Solar ray incident cycle?
Oh, that telemetry channel is not working for us.
Project manager on MOTC.
Oh, we got no reading on that.
I understand that.
Project manager, this is mission manager. Go ahead.
Battery temperatures are
Roger. Sam, I'm going to have to go to a press conference shortly. Can you give me anything you have now? And then I guess I'd like to
station
call.
Power is okay. Air shunt current is okay.
Probably about
Solar ray
10
current
after.
is okay.
Get
Air battery
an update.
charge current is okay.
I believe we will.
And our load current is okay.
Ammo data, Mark.
The number is
thermal system.
393-1255.
Systems is thermal. All temperatures are within expected. Solar ray temperature drop. The indicators open okay.
Go ahead.
And nothing's out of range.
Yeah, we had talked
But we have to check the heater status.
Roger that. And Oliver, I want you to very close to start trending your -Y equipment panel temperatures, and you know the ones to look for, right?
Is that when
the battery?
That's
permanent. The ones we discussed earlier, right?
That was shortly about
thermal systems.
3 seconds or 4 before I received any data.
Thermal systems.
At least that's what the marker is on my analyzer.
Systems is thermal.
Did you copy what I just said?
From Australia.
It's a bad copy. Can you repeat
trying to determine where the data comes from.
Are you trending your temperatures? We want you to very closely watch your -Y equipment panel temperatures.
Positive.
Yeah, nobody has any idea where your original data was coming from.
Continue to watch your
As
data.
far as all parties,
Okay,
as far as all parties
back
here were
in a minute.
concerned, nothing was being sent to you.
Systems telecom.
Go ahead.
We have RPA1, Mott 1. On Mott 1, we have door off, range mod on, twink off, FUSO
I guess this is another one of the mysteries.
And the DSN, AGC, and SNR look pretty good.
Roger that. Thank you. Info.
Info reports telemetry table selection is as expected. Skip 1 is in control. There is no red man switch status. Device switch status is nominal. No devices are dead. All enable status is as expected. No additional auto queue messages have occurred. Power status is nominal for the C&DH boxes. I would like to hand this over right now for a report from flight software on the sun sensor error counters.
Before you do that, Carl, can you finish the checklist there? Info system, can you finish
affirmative. The XSU source is as expected.
EDF1.
EDF1. DTRs 2 and 3
Backup skip.
MO project manager, this is mission manager. Go ahead.
The backup skip status.
Backup skip is
Roger,
nominal.
would you check thermal
DTRs 3 and 2 and 3 are recording
an hour and a half to 2 hours.
as expected.
They
There is no
indicated about an
rejected
hour
command
to see
description
trend.
right now.
Trend.
Roger that. And
Could
go ahead
you
with
give me
flight
an
software report.
indication of anything that's happening, not just trends? Are they dropping?
Ron, sorry for the standby earlier. Yeah, estimate about 40 minutes from now. If we still don't see the sun, we'll switch sun sensor. Also, I noticed there is a very high count on another error type called coaxis miscompare at 7,000, but it's been very steady.
And what is that miscompare?
It'll take too long to explain.
Okay. Well, let me see if I understand this. 40 minutes to switch SSA sides. If the error rates continue on the other side, another 40 minutes we'll switch buses. Is that correct?
Well, actually, another hour. See, 20 minutes have elapsed so far.
Okay, 40 minutes to SSA switch, then if it continues, 60 minutes to bus switch.
Affirmative.
And then after that, we know what happens.
Well, just declare the sun sensor dead, but we won't switch skips, fortunately.
Roger that, so it'll stop there.
True.
Systems is power.
Go ahead, Power.
I'd like to report that our battery TCE heaters are on as expected.
Roger that, thank you.
Systems mission manager on MO Ops.
Mission manager systems, go ahead.
Project manager would like to know if we have any indication on temperature to indicate the status of the ATGA yet. Is it going up or down?
We will not be able to get that type of trend data for, I'd say, at least an hour. due to the thermal constants. So
that's what I explained to him, but he wanted to know if the temperature is going up or down.
We have no data to indicate any change in temperature this time.
Houston, this thermal, we have certain trend showing. The TWTA is going up, the battery is coming down, and the minus Y panel temperature is coming down, but that's not enough to show the high HTA deployed or not.
Okay, Mission Manager, what I'd like to do is I'd like to go through the assessment we're doing at this time, and then I'd like to come back.
That I talked with about monitoring temperatures so they don't forget just going to do annoying things. Battery's going down, which is expected while it's charging. Right.
Mars Ace, MO data.
If you need
MO data, Mars Ace.
Mission Manager on MO Ops.
Mike, what's the next station that we'll be seeing?
Yes, sir. Can you summarize just
data
for me?
after Canberra?
Okay,
we go to Spain,
Station
Station 65.
We do not have indication of complete deployment.
The viability or possibility of getting same kind of data from
other telemetry which would indicate that it is closed is temperature data, and there's
we don't have acquisition of Spain until approximately
time span data. One is that,
0,
for example,
UTC
batteries.
Talking about
if the
5
batteries
hours.
increase in temperature, that's a good indication of the HDA covering the back panel. However, the batteries are being cooled by charging. TWTs, also hot, would indicate that, but they are increasing simply because they were turned on recently. Other temperatures such as BCA and DTRs, we don't have enough data on yet, and it will be some time. In any case, well, that's where we stand on the HDA. Number 2, momentum unloading. Indications are that we did have a momentum unloading due to some anomalous buildup of momentum on the spacecraft, which is still occurring.
Mars Ace, MO data.
MO data.
And we don't see this as a hazard to the spacecraft.
Where is the coverage
we don't yet know
for
when
the period
the momentum
the
unloading
muscles
will
will
occur.
process between losses, Canberra and picking up by Spain?
Did we confirm that the momentum unloading occurred on the same axis where the momentum is building up on?
Yes,
what
we
will
did.
be the data pickup that occurs when
I don't know.
Canberra loses it and until the time that Spain acquires it?
Copy that.
There is no gap. We have coverage.
We do not see
there is no gap of coverage between Australia, Spain, and Goldstone. We've got simultaneous coverage for about an hour at each station. So we never lose data.
Such a torque or leak could be so small that it might be very difficult
Copy
to
that.
detect.
Is there a provision can be made to send the same kind of data
The
back
sun
on this
sensor
line?
anomaly, we don't have
for the
really
coverage
much
of the other so
insight
that the checkout
yet
station can stay
at
up
all.
I'm sure it can be done.
Still indicating that it's not seeing the sun.
Well, let me check.
And we're looking at it.
Okay, and I understand if in about 20 minutes, if that sensor does not see the sun, it'll go into fault protection and swap out the sensor?
Yes, it'll switch sides, and then that is assuming that the error counts continue at the current rate. About an hour after that, if it still continues on the other side, then we would switch buses, and that would be the extent of fault protection. There would be no safing involved.
Copy that.
And that's the extent of the anomalies that we have right now.
Okay, I also heard a call that I'm not sure I heard correctly. The TPA temperatures are dropping?
I will check on that for you. I don't recall that.
Okay, appreciate that.
System to thermal.
Go ahead, thermal.
We have a good 30 minutes worth of data trend to show something, but it's not confirmed. At this point, we can only speak of temperature didn't drop as fast as we expected if HGA had opened, because the observation on the non-operational TWTA is that temperature didn't drop at all, and so we are not in the critical range for all temperatures, but they just only thing we can conclude is the temperature didn't drop as expected.
Okay, that's TWT.
MO data, Mars Ace,
right?
The TWT 1 is on, 2 is off.
Right, you said TWT 2 did not drop as expected.
That's right. TWT 2 stay as about 20 degrees C.
And 20? 20?
20.
Okay.
MO data, Mars Ace.
If you don't understand him...
I understood him. I just don't know what it is.
Well, then you don't understand if you don't know what it is. How can you check on it if you don't know what it is?
Mars Ace, 71.
It's not Sam's...
71 Ace.
Yes, sir. Nobody's said anything, but we noticed our 224 line's gone away, and we're going to go ahead and shut down and
Thermal systems.
close the station up.
Okay, copy that. Thanks a lot for your help.
No problem.
71 MO data.
Thermal systems on MO ops.
Hey, Byron, I really appreciate the work that you've done to help get this thing working.
Systems, this is mechanical.
Go ahead.
Thanks for keeping us abreast of what was going on a daily basis.
Line heater backup is off, as is the gimbal heater primary and backups are both off.
Hey.
That does not seem correct.
Although I don't think it was intended. You a lot of times were our best source of information. We appreciate it.
Backup heater is off. The primary is on.
I guess you mean.
And Jim, just a question. I was wondering on the 9.6 data. At the beginning there, it sounded like it wasn't working. Did that end up getting to be functional?
Yeah, it did, Byron. It was. I thought I was seeing valid frames at the beginning much sooner than the system did. And,
okay,
I kept getting the sync block off to the bit sync. Then the frame sync would not process the data. They went over and changed the input to biphase L. The checkout station locked up.
Go ahead, Lauren. Tell me what you need.
Okay, copy that. As long as it worked, I guess that's the main thing.
Yeah, it's working fine by. I sat here and watched the frames continuously, and I've seen good frames coming in since I first reported them, but they kept telling me I couldn't have possibly been getting data.
Okay. Well, thank you for your thank you, and I think pass around a good job to everybody over here. It wasn't just me. I think everybody did a good job for
Ron, did you ever find out about
appreciate it. You guys take care.
Can you clarify what that is?
It sounded like a power
MO data, Mars Ace.
telemetry channel.
Data.
We've never heard of it today.
Yeah, Jim, the backflow of the data into the two MO KSC1 and KSC2 workstations is scheduled to occur for the next week. Nobody seems to know much about the backflowing of data into the GE checkout station. That's been handled by Marv Traxler. You may want to give him a call. His number's 31131.
Copy that. I've been asked
System to ACS.
Guidance here.
ACS, go ahead.
Okay, by our latest estimates, we're getting an unexplained torque on the spacecraft of between 0.4 times 10 to the minus 4 to 1 times 10 to the minus 3 Newton meters on the spacecraft. This translates to about a Newton meter of momentum buildup every half an hour or so, which would put us in another momentum
meter will be satisfied.
It looks relatively stable, that's correct.
Won't be necessary to contact.
That would mean another momentum unloading within an hour to an hour and a half.
Okay, what would be the continuous delta T between unloadings?
Stand by 1 second here.
Roger.
Scott's going off. Should go off. I mean, not Scott. Sam's going to go back and figure out. Because he didn't know what it was either. He just asked me that TPS temperature and he didn't know himself what it was. I thought I was stupid. The acronym should be
System to ACS?
Go ahead.
Okay, that would look like about 4.5 hours between DSATs.
Roger that.
Maureen, can you do something? Can you go to thermal and
Project 2
seems
Just
upset.
like copy days, yes, I will turn the pressure that time.
Roger that, and make sure you get the same axis that he's talking about, right?
Well, the only thing I can watch is the hydrogen tank pressure.
Okay, what I want you to do is go over to ACS and get the body axis, the body torque axis.
It looks like
the specific axis that torque is around.
Unexplained torque on the
so you can
spacecraft
correlate that to
around
any
the
components,
x-axis.
okay?
It indicates that we'll probably have another emergency momentum unloading in about 1.5 hours. The second problem, of course, is the high gain antenna deployment.
We're
still trying to ascertain whether the high gain antenna
data, Mars Ace.
temperature data. We might get about 30 minutes
de-energized after deployment.
Okay, and the gimbal heaters
turned off.
Gimbal heaters, I have
we expect the temperature to drop on
mechanical attack
all the way on the order of and it appears that it's not dropping.
Mechanical copy.
The third problem we're seeing is that our sun sensor saw the sun and then stopped seeing the sun. It's unexplained. If that sensor does not pick the sun up in about 20 minutes, we will swap sensors. If we still don't see the sun, we will swap buses in about an hour after that.
Okay, I copied the last. Back on the high antenna deployed.
MO data, Mars Ace.
Drop.
Go ahead, Mike.
What you may have saw was a little while ago we went two-way at station 45, and they had to drop block at the receivers so they could pick up the uplink. So we didn't take a data hit.
Copy that.
Systems info.
Standby info.
Project 2.
Is it urgent?
Project 2, Mission Manager, go ahead.
Systems, Mars Ace, Mike on M.
Systems proposal conferred with AACS and...
Standby, prop. Standby.
Standing by.
When might
the threshold is 11 or 12, something like that.
I will keep you informed.
Systems, Mars Ace, Mike on M.
About 8.
Okay, copy.
Project 2,
Standby.
Manager again.
They're building up about 3.
I've sent Joe Beer down to find out what our anomaly team has seen and what they think. He has not returned yet. Before we make any steps, we will certainly have a conference including the anomaly team and the spacecraft team.
Kept building up at that rate, we'd see them.
Okay, very good. Have you talked to Dave in the last 15?
He just called and I'm about to give him a data dump.
The HGA rotates about the x-axis. Who knows? There's this leaking business. We don't have anything pointing on the x-axis. So there's nothing.
It wouldn't be pointing on the x-axis. It would not. Nothing leaking on the x-axis would cause a torque about the x-axis. It has to be an orthogonal axis. Anything leaking out one side of the spacecraft, as long as it's offset with the CG, will torque you about the x-axis.
But it'll be coupled to other axes, and they're seeing it only in the x-axis.
Yeah, it is kind of coincidental.
I'm not the HGA deployment. I don't know. It could be related, maybe not. It doesn't matter. What are we going to do? Everything else good.
I know what it is. There's a little guy on the spacecraft pushing down on the HGA.
But that aside, what that all kind of means is maybe a momentum unloading will occur in some power to
Systems GPS.
Newton meter seconds. Momentum unloading thresholds. 8 is where we are. 12 is the threshold.
Okay. Right train is building up 3 per hour.
For info.
Info system.
Project 2.
Go ahead, Systems.
You called earlier.
I thought I was going to be able to go home.
Yes, I wanted to get the black phone number of the SAT team. Steve Teitelbaum was trying to get a hold of them.
Standby 1.
Spacecraft Manager, Project 0.
Yeah. Well, I've got a school file. The first 10 minutes or so of data if anybody needs to look at that.
Systems TC, you need a phone number to indicate?
For Teitelbaum, yes. The SAT team. Info Systems, you want to talk to Steve Teitelbaum?
I wanted to connect Teitelbaum with the SAT team. Steve's trying to call the SAT team.
Okay, TC, can you handle that, please?
Sure can. Info, standalone.
Prop Systems.
Info, Teitelbaum is trying to reach the SAT team, is that right?
Affirmative.
Systems is
Okay, I'll take care of that.
Systems is
Copy.
Go ahead, Prop.
You wanted me?
Yeah, you called earlier and I put you off.
I don't even remember what it was about.
Good.
I have a possible explanation coming up here, but hang on for a while.
Roger that. Mars Ace Systems. Systems Ace. You called earlier.
Yeah, we're showing channel Papa 0931 monoprop latch valve heater 1 temperature going in and out of alarm on us.
Systems, this is Prop and mechanical.
Roger Ace. Go ahead, Prop.
Possible explanation for the rate buildup is a slow deployment of the HGA antenna. Cannot confirm any of this yet, but my experts standing here seem to think that's a very good possibility.
It is a possibility. Okay, Prop, did you copy Ace's call about the monoprop heater?
No, I did not.
Papa 0903. Going in and out of alarm.
I'll get clarification of that. Mars A Systems?
Window number 12.
Yeah, what was the name of that channel again? You called it was Papa 0903. What was it called?
It was Papa 0931. The monoprop latch valve heater 1 temperature.
Monoprop latch valve heater 1. Thank you. Prop systems correction. It's monoprop latch valve heater 1. Channel Papa 0931. And ACE reports it's going in and out of alarm.
That's Papa. Go ahead.
Papa 0931. Monoprop latch valve heater.
I do not see that happening. I'm going to check a few things first, but I don't see that going on my screen.
Thermal systems.
Systems is thermal.
There's an alarm page.
Standby 1.
Page 2. Window 2.
Do you, your mic's hot, Prop. Thermal, do you concur that the monoprop latch valve heater 1 has been going in and out of alarm?
I can do that now.
Okay. Standby thermal. Go ahead, Prop.
Propulsion systems. I can confirm that is going in and out. And what I believe is happening here is that it looks like there might be too much power going into that heater for that line, because it is enabled and on. Let me work on it for a while.
Systems info.
Go ahead, info.
Mr. Report, we have about 10 minutes until the sun sensor switches.
Roger that.
Systems is thermal.
Standby thermal.
Can you write down the monoprop latch valve heater 1 alarm? Give me some paper.
Thermal systems, go ahead. Thermal systems, go ahead. ACS systems.
Go systems.
Predicted time to unload.
Hold 1 second, please.
Okay, all spacecraft team subsystems, if you need to query data, it is available on the PDB.
What?
Systems power.
Go ahead, power.
Batteries have cooled to 18 degrees Celsius, actually 17.8 degrees Celsius.
Roger that.
PCRs have cooled to 39 degrees Celsius.
Roger that. ACS systems.
Go ahead, systems.
Okay, regarding the conjecture about a slow HDA deployment, it was my understanding that the relative torque between the two bodies, HDA and the spacecraft, would be, can you do a back of the envelope calculation and take a full deployment acceleration rate and compute the resultant torque on the spacecraft?
Okay, we'll take a look at that.
You follow what I'm saying?
Yep, I sure do. And the answer to the other question is we're looking at an hour and a half to 2 hours for the unloading event. We had a change to our numbers here, so that's the number that we're looking at. That does not represent a slowing in the rate of momentum increase, though. That was a problem with the numbers that we were using.
Roger that.
Does that make sense?
Sure does.
What is it? Expect an unload in 1.5 to 2 hours. Do a show me it should be 130. 2100, and we're gonna have an SSA side switch soon. That was 10.
Systems, Mission Manager on MOOPS.
Go ahead, Mission Manager.
Did I hear the last report saying that temperatures are staying at about the same level?
That's correct.
Not going up or coming down?
Well, the thing is that most of these temperatures at this time are being driven by other more dominant things, such as, battery charging and so forth.
Okay, copy that. How about TWTA2?
I'll check on that for you. Telecom system.
System Silicon?
Yeah, can you give me a temperature trend report? report on both TWTs?
They're increasing. But we expect them to increase.
That's right. At what point would you expect them to plateau normally?
I looked at the old CPIT data and it looks like they increase they go up about 30 degrees.
For what period of time?
I'll have to check on it.
Okay, what we're going to need from you at some point is for TWT. Laura, do you have a temperature on TWT2?
Yes, I do.
Very helpful, Laura.
And what is it?
It's 22 degrees.
And increasing?
Yes, it is.
And you would expect TWT2 to increase?
Yes, I would. What are you trying to get at, Ron?
We want to know if the TWTs are increasing more or longer or hotter than expected.
Let me look at my old CPIT data, Ron. I'll get back to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Systems Mission Manager.
Go ahead.
I thought I got a report earlier that TWTA2 is off, and we expected the temperature to drop, and it wasn't dropping, holding, which kind of indicated that we may have high-gain antenna not deployed.
Our telecom analyst indicates that she expects that temperature to rise.
For what reason?
Stand by one.
Other equipment, is it near TWT1? Is it next to it? So TWT1 is increasing, TWT2 is increasing.
Systems info.
Stand by info.
Yeah, no, because they open everything was off about how you see that. And then it doesn't open up. We have energy balance to show everything.
Info systems.
Update on the sun sensor. Its countdown is 5 minutes.
Roger that.
Systems ACS.
Go ACS.
After discussions with mechanisms, it appears...
George, is this urgent?
Negative.
Stand by.
System is power.
Is it urgent?
I have a go, no-go for BCA script at this time.
Say again?
The BCAs are good, and therefore we don't need to send a hot BCA.
Very good, thank you.
Okay, this thing about tweet number 2, is it supposed to increase or not?
I don't think we have an answer. And
thermal systems.
These guys have really given.
Systems thermal.
I need you to go and talk with Telecom and decide what the story is really supposed to be on TWT2. We need an answer, okay?
Systems Telecom?
Roger, go ahead. Go ahead, Telecom.
It is supposed to rise.
I understand. Thermal disagrees with you.
Well, I can show him my CPIT data.
Okay, I think you guys need to get together and come up with a story, okay? Can you let us know within 20 minutes from now? Telecom and Thermal, do you both copy? Telecom and Thermal, do you both copy that?
Copy.
Telecom?
Telecom, copy.
Systems Mars Ace, Mike on M.
Understand. Yeah, who called me first?
Info Systems? Okay, you got with me already. What was the countdown to the side switch?
It's about 3.5 minutes.
Roger that. Team Chief Systems? ACS Systems?
ACS.
Do you concur with predicted sun sensor side switch?
That's affirmative.
Roger that. Okay. Spacecraft Team Chief Systems? Mission Manager Systems.
More things going on, but we have the DTC side switch.
Systems Mission Manager, go ahead.
Okay, do not have an answer for you yet on TWT2 temperature. Our analysts are off looking at it. We are predicting, due to the sun sensor anomaly, that it will switch sides within just a few minutes from now.
We expect
Okay, copy that.
we expect the 1 hour Redman hour timer to elapse at about 19:35, and we'll swap sun sensor heads. And that should
Power.
Go power.
Battery 2 is fully charged.
There is this
Thank you, sir.
X-axis momentum buildup occurring, which we don't
Mission
know
Manager
about.
Systems?
Then there's also
Systems Mission Manager, go ahead.
Okay, and also we should be expecting another momentum unloading to occur at somewhere around now about 1 to 1.5 hours from now. If we continue to build momentum at this rate.
Are we still building up momentum?
Yes, we are.
Okay, copy that.
Systems, TC.
Go TC.
Yeah, sorry, I missed your call. I heard what you voiced to Mission Manager. Were you relating the RWA, I'm sorry, the TWTA temperature rise to the sun sensor problem we're experiencing?
Negative. Sam wanted to know what the temperature story was on TWT2 specifically. And TWT1 and 2 are two of our important data points on diagnosing a failed HDA deployment. And Thermal and Telecom have a bitter dispute going on as to what those temperature profiles are expected to be. So I asked them to go off and fight.
Okay, and TWTA2 is on or off at this point?
It's off. However, it's right next to TWT1, which is on. Telecom says it should rise, I assume due to the proximity. Thermal says temperature should drop, and I've asked them to go off and develop a consensus on that.
Okay, just my own gut feeling is you turn something on and temperature's going to rise until it reaches equilibrium, and maybe that's Telecom's point.
Roger that.
Systems info.
Go info.
Sun sensor switch is imminent.
Roger that. Team Chief, you copy?
Sorry, Systems, I did not copy.
Okay, it looks like we're about to switch sun sensor sides.
Copy that.
Info, make the call.
I'm sorry.
Copy.
Anything else you need me to run down right now?
I need you to maintain this list for me. What you might want to do, take one sheet of paper for each one of these anomalies. You know, put a title on it so we can scribble stuff.
Systems, Mars Ace, Mike on him.
Ace Systems.
Yeah, we're going through our alarms here. We've got about 25 channels in alarm.
I have a really critical question.
One of the ones we're most concerned with is we're showing an RWA temperature as negative 31 degrees C.
Okay, that's a faulty indication. Ace, I understand the red alarms are a problem. Would it be okay with you if we sort of didn't pay much attention to them at this time, because we're trying to trace down a lot of anomalies here? Is that acceptable?
I'll have to run it by the mission manager, but sounds okay.
Systems ACS.
Go ACS.
Maybe just to tell ACE that that reaction wheel is powered off, so the telemetry from the reaction wheel is not reliable.
Roger that. Mars Ace Systems.
Info.
Okay, just by way of explanation, regarding the data point you just pointed out, the reaction wheel, that wheel is not powered on, I'm advised, so the telemetry is not valid, completely not valid.
Okay, copy.
Propulsion systems.
Systems propulsion.
How you doing, Ken?
Just fine.
Good. Any further word on monoprop latch valve 1? Monoprop latch valve heater number 1 going into intermittent alarm?
It has not changed. It's still a red alarm, by the way. That's a line heater, not a latch valve.
I don't know if you overheard the conversation I had with
the biprop line heaters are also in red alarm as well.
Okay, are these temperatures?
These are temperatures. I don't. They're high. I don't see any particular problem with them right now. I would say that they are secondary.
Are they showing alarms as well?
Their concern is I'm going to check with some people at GE to see what the temperatures of those lines ought to be. I have a feeling that what's happening is they're just getting too much power into it. The heater power is just too much.
Roger that. Are these valves coincidentally located anywhere around the -Y panel?
They're all, given the fact that they're all 4 of them in the biprop and all 4 in the monoprop, I would say that they're all over the spacecraft.
Okay, we concur with that. Can you get back to
Systems info.
As soon as I
know
know
ahead,
something.
info. Thank you.
The sun sensor is switched according to Redman.
Roger that.
Systems ACS.
Go ACS.
ACS confirmed sun sensor switched and sun is now seen.
Roger that. Okay, we're on sun sensor side 2. SSA 2?
That's correct. SSA 2 and sun is now stabilized.
Okay, info, you've got an action. Find out what's wrong with Redman, I guess, huh?
I copy that.
Roger that. Team Chief Systems, did you copy this?
Systems DC copies that.
Roger that. Mars Ace Systems?
Systems Ace.
when we have significant events in our process in these anomalies, I assume you want them reported to you, not mission manager. Is that correct?
That's affirmative.
Okay, our sun sensor has just switched to side 2, and we do see the sun now. So for some reason, unexplained at this time, sun sensor 1 was not seeing the sun, and we do look good now on side 2.
Okay, copy. Mission manager, Mars Ace, Mike Cunningham.
Mars Ace, mission manager, go ahead.
Did you copy that we have switched to sun sensor 2 and that seems to be operating?
I did copy that. Has the spacecraft team determined that sun sensor 1 is indeed bad?
Negative. We're going to look at it.
Okay, copy that.
ACS systems.
No systems.
Okay, standby 1.
What is this so loud for?
Okay, ACS, is there any possibility that, I guess I'm going to answer my own question, faulty data through sun sensor side 1 would have caused the spacecraft to think it was experiencing a torque?
Not that we can think of. We will continue to evaluate the momentum buildup and advise you if it's gone away.
Okay, give me periodic prediction times for the next unloading, okay?
Copy that. Roll supply.
Systems, this is propulsion. Just a sort of an update on the tank pressures. I see no difference since the beginning of acquisition of telemetry, and that's been a good hour.
Roger that. Very good.
Systems power.
Standby 1 power. Is it critical?
Negative.
Standby 1. Team Chief Systems.
Systems TC.
Just don't want to make this a big issue, but regarding the sun sensor side switch, I don't know what our policy is now for handling this in our state tracking, but should we set that process in motion or let it ride for the time being?
Well, state tracking is automatic every 15 minutes now.
Very good.
Systems power.
Standby 1 power. Is it critical?
Negative.
Okay, standby 1. Call me in 2 minutes.
Copy.
Systems power.
Yep.
Power, you got a hot mic.
All right, sorry. We've gone to triple charge autonomous launch because it's executed that.
Power, are you talking to me?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
The spacecraft autonomous launch sequence has executed both batteries to triple charge at this time, as expected.
Roger that. Thermal systems.
Systems to thermal.
I'm sorry, standby 1 thermal. Power systems. Peter, you were calling me, or was it what James?
I was calling you. The CARs have cooled to 30 degrees Celsius.
Roger that. Plus 30 Celsius.
Perfect.
I was writing what she was talking.
Thermal systems.
It's right for
Systems
that.
thermal.
Okay, Oliver. We need some answers, Oliver. I guess what it's looking like is that you're expecting a rapid temperature decrease on a lot of components, and that is not being seen. We're not crossing any of our red limits, nor are we getting anywhere near them. But if indeed the HDA was partially closed, would this correspond to the situation you're looking at? Do you think we should be cooler than we are?
I'm currently reviewing the Precipitate A prime test result, and I have seen some data, but I need to verify the time that data was taken, and also I have to compare the test, the power level used in the test, and what we have here.
But are you going to get valid thermal data from a CFIT test?
Yes, because the prediction shows is cooler
But it is not getting warmer. That's a good sign. But the thing is, it's going cooler at not a fast pace, but it could be the high dissipation in the spacecraft. But the dissipation, the whole spacecraft is only taking about 12 amps compared to the 14 to 15 amps we had in the CPT test. It's a little bit less than what we had before.
Right, I concur with that, but the CPT test was sitting on the ground. Was the HGA closed or open?
With HGA open.
Okay, I'll leave it up to your judgment.
I come back to you when I saw through this.
And Thermal, another question for you. We understand there was a side switch on a NTO tank heater on the DTC.
Yeah.
Any comments on that? Reasons, inputs, impacts? Any?
What's the issue? You're saying that
was there indeed a DTC side switch?
Oh yeah, I haven't observed that. Yeah, but I was notified by Rick. So let me look at it.
Okay. We'd like to know the temperature. We'd like to know if it's hot, cold, etc. Okay.
Roger.
Systems Mission Manager on MOOps.
Go ahead, Mission Manager.
Yeah, Ron, I'm looking at the HGA anomaly procedure and looking at the symptoms and telemetry indications. Have you got a copy of that there?
Yes, we do.
It looks like there's about 10 measurements that we should be looking at. And from what I gather here, if they all are increasing in temperature, it's an indication that the HGA is not latched. Is that correct?
If they're all increasing and are hot, those criteria there are on the conservative side intentionally, and the reason is that basically these are the criteria that you would like to see before you exercise the failed HGA procedure. And that is because the failed HGA deployment procedure is quite a serious thing to do at the spacecraft, the rotations around the z-axis, etc. So we would not want to do that unless we saw definite indications of this and also saw that the spacecraft health was in jeopardy. So if indeed the HGA is undeployed and is closed, and the thermal situation of the spacecraft is such that it is not causing a serious thermal problem, then there is no reason to go ahead and start taking any drastic measures. You see the logic?
Yes, and I copy that. Can you give me a indication of the temperatures associated with each one of those telemetry channels?
Yes, we can, but I would caution you to take them with a grain of salt because of the factors we mentioned earlier. For example, TWTs will vary depending on where they are in their cycle. BCAs are being affected by the charge cycles and so forth, and the same with the batteries. But we will get that data for you as soon as I can dig it up. Okay?
Okay, appreciate that.
Roger.
This is Power.
Go ahead, Power.
I'd like to announce that the power management enable state has changed to both batteries, charge rate, reset enabled as expected.
Very good, thank you. And Power, could you rattle off some temperatures for me, please?
Sure thing. Yeah, the battery temperatures are 17 point...
Well, give it to me. Let me interrupt you for a second, James.
Okay.
Right. Battery pack. I don't want all the battery packs. 1 Alpha Bravo, 2 Alpha Bravo.
Oh. Okay.
And then also BCA temps.
Okay, battery pack 1 Alpha and Bravo are at 17.0 and 17.0.
Slow down a minute. Battery pack 1 Alpha.
Battery 1A is 17.0.
All right.
Systems to ACS.
Standby 1 Power. Is it critical ACS?
Wanted to advise you that we'll be going to Sunstar Net in 15 minutes on the autonomous launch sequence.
Roger that. Standby 1 Power.
Roger.
Mars Ace Systems.
Systems Ace.
Okay, advisory that the spacecraft will be going to Sunstar NIT in about 15 minutes, which is some time.
Copy that.
And the impact will be standby 1. Calling systems?
Yeah, TC was calling systems. Continue with your discussion.
Scott, could you do me a favor? Could you advise ACE of that, of the intermittent link you'll see in SunCom Power while Jason's talking your stuff?
Yeah, what's the AOS?
We're looking at
the 5846.
got some latest numbers right here. Update to when we go to Sunstar Init here in a couple minutes. Our latest predictions for the loss of signal you'll see in sun coning are in the order of 46 minutes out of each 100-minute spacecraft revolution.
That will be 46 minutes out of telemetry?
That's correct. 46-minute blackout, roughly, but we'll see what we actually get.
Copy.
Okay. Spacecraft team, this is systems. I was in a discussion with Power, and then somebody else called me. Who was that?
ACS.
Okay, ACS, go ahead.
I think I said everything I needed to.
Roger that.
I don't remember what he said.
ACS, I'm sorry, can you repeat what you said before?
It was just the advisory that we'll be going to Sunstar.
Roger that. Back with you, your battery pack from Bravo. One Bravo, 17.25, okay. And your battery pack 2A and B.
Okay, 2 Alpha is 16.5.
Okay.
And 2 Bravo is 17.25.
Alrighty.
Next temperature?
Stand by 1.
I'm sorry.
Okay, the BCA temps.
Roger, BCR 1 is 25.6, and BCR 2 is also 25.6.
Roger that.
Ed, could you kill that, please?
Info systems.
Info.
Can you give me your DTR 2 and 3 temperatures, please? And I also assume you're seeing no further sun sensor counts?
That's affirmative. DTR temperature 2 is 20 degrees, 20.6 degrees C. DTR 3 is 16.3. They've gone down slightly over time.
Roger that.
In addition, info, there's been systems. There's been no increase in the error counts of sun sensor.
Roger that. Power systems?
Systems is power.
Okay, let's talk about your temperatures again. Battery pack temperatures should be low after charging and should be doing what? What would you have expected to see at this time and compare that to what they are doing at this time?
We expect them to continue to decrease in temperature, and they seem to be doing that.
Slow decrease.
Yeah, it should be a slow decrease. The thermal design is such that they don't stop decreasing until they get down to 0 to 5 degrees C, when the heaters would turn them back.
Okay.
Right, thank you.
And the BCR temps, what were you expecting? What have you seen?
The BCR temps, again, are around 24 degrees now, and we're quite happy with that. They started out around...
Say again,
50.
James, they're up, what?
They are 24 degrees C and going down or leveling off, which is nominal. They started at 50
and have cooled off, so there's no increase expected.
So you expect them to stay at 24?
Yeah, plus or minus a couple of degrees.
Roger that. And telecom systems.
Systems telecom?
Laura, can you tell me your current temperatures for TWT1 and 2?
TWT1 temperature is 30 degrees. TWT2 temperature is 22.7.
Okay, and did you and Oliver ever come to an agreement at all on what you would have expected to see here?
I don't know about that. I talked to you about Palmar, and he thought the temperatures looked just fine.
Okay, and are they still increasing slightly?
Yes, they are.
Okay. Info systems.
Info.
All right, if I got the picture right from you and your DTR temps, they are slowly decreasing, but you expected a faster decrease.